Harper, is that your first Valentine's Day card from Grandma and Grandpa? It's so special. What do you think of it? It's pretty neat, huh? Can you see a reflection in there? What do you see? Lots of colors. Lots of words. I see Winnie the Pooh. And I also see you. There you go. There you go. Look, it's Harper. So cool. You're a lucky gal. Getting presents from Grandma and Grandpa. There he is. Good old Winnie. Good old Winnie. All right. Say thanks, Grandma. Thanks, Grandpa. Can you say thank you? Can you say that, Harper? Can you say thank you? Thank you. All right. Well, we're just going to enjoy the card. Thanks, guys. We love it. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye.